Now the next part into the quinoline, that is the chemical reactions of quinoline. Next part it is the chemical reactions of quinoline. Now chemical reactions of quinoline, we will discuss about the there is a four types of chemical reactions of quinoline. First it is the formation of the salt, or it is also called as the basic characters of the quinoline. Another it is the electrophilic substitution, another it is the nucleophilic substitution type of reaction. There is another addition type of reactions, that is the oxidation and reduction type of reaction. So first of all we will go for the formation of the salt. Okay, look at the structure of the quinoline. Quinoline contains the nitrogen. Nitrogen bears a lone pair of electron, and this shows the basic characters. So first of all in this reaction we will go for the basic characters. Okay, basic character means it shows the lone pair of electron on the nitrogen, and it will be acts as base. So it shows the basic characters, and it forms the salt with mineral acids like concentrated HCl. When quinoline reacted with concentrated HCl, it formed the salt. This salt it is formed with the HCl. It is called as quinoline hydrochloride. It is called as the quinoline hydrochloride. Now look at the structure of the quinoline. Contain the nitrogen and lone pair of electron. In that, hydrogen positively charged into the concentrated HCl. Hydrogen positively charged, and chlorine it is negatively charged. So this hydrogen as well as along with the chlorine molecules, it will be attracted toward the nitrogen. Nitrogen and lone pair of electron into the quinoline ring, it is acts as base, so it will attract this whole HCl molecule, H positive along with Cl negative. Okay, so we get quinoline hydrochloride. Quinoline hydrochloride. Nitrogen bears hydrogen and HCl negative charge, chlorine negative charge, and nitrogen acquired the positive charge here. So it formed the salt. This is the salt of the quinoline hydrochloride. Okay, this is about the formation of salt or the basic characters. The first example. Second example of the basic characters is that when the quinoline reacted with alkyl halides, it forms the quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, now into the quinoline contain the nitrogen having lone pair of electron. It is acts as the base. It will be attract the methyl groups. Look at the alkyl halides or the methyl iodide. In that methyl group, carbon having positive charge and more electronegative iodine acquire the negative charge. Okay, so along with the CH3 iodine negative, it is attracted toward the base, that is the nitrogen, and we get N-methyl quinoline iodine. It is N-methyl quinoline iodine. Okay, it is N-methyl, nitrogen having methyl group, so it is N-methyl quinoline iodine. N-methyl quinoline iodine. Okay, it is formed, and it is the quaternary ammonium salt, because nitrogen attached in this quinoline ring. Here carbon double bond, here carbon single bond, and there is another fourth valency with attached to methyl group carbon. So nitrogen attached to 4 carbon atoms in this ring by the 4 valencies, so it acquires the positive charge, and this compound it is called as the quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, this is about the chemical reactions in that formation of the salt as well as the basic reactions of the quinoline. After that we will go for the electrophilic substitution type of reaction. Let's see. Now next chemical reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reactions of quinoline. Electrophilic substitution reactions mean attack of electrophile. It is called as the electrophilic reactions. Means in this reaction there is attack of electrophile. Electrophile, these are the species which are electron deficient, and it will be attack on the aromatic ring where the carbon having lone pair of electron or the carbon which is electron rich center. Such type the electrophile, that is E positive, it will be attack on that electron rich center into the aromatic ring. So this reaction it is called as the electrophilic reactions. Now substitution reactions. Substitution reactions, these are the reaction in which one or atoms or groups which is directly attached on the benzene ring carbon, it is replaced by another atoms or group. It is called as the substitution reaction. So we are discussing here electrophilic substitution reactions of the quinoline. Now quinoline, it is it contains benzene along with the pyridine ring. Okay, pyridine contains the nitrogen. Now this pyridine and nitrogen, these are the electron withdrawing groups, so it will not activate the quinoline ring toward the electrophilic substitution reaction. So nitrogen as well as the pyridine ring into the quinoline, both are the electron withdrawing group, and they will deactivate the quinoline ring toward the electrophilic substitution reaction or electrophilic attack or the reagents into the quinoline. Okay, so that this quinoline, in that pyridine, it is resistance for the substitution. This pyridine ring, it is resistance for the substitution of the electrophile, but the attack will be in benzene ring rather than the resistance pyridine ring. So the electrophilic substitution reaction will be takes place into the benzene ring rather than the resistance pyridine ring, because of the electron withdrawing nitrogen and the pyridine. Okay, but into the benzene, the attack will be, preferred attack will be on here. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is 6, 7 and 8 number. The preferred attack will be on 8 number carbon atom into the quinoline ring, into the benzene ring. The C8 carbon into the benzene ring of the quinoline, it is preferred for the attack of electrophile on the C8 position. Also, if it is blocked, then the attack will be on the C5 positions into the quinoline of benzene ring. Okay, so the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place into the quinoline on the 8th number and the 5th number carbon atom. So we get the C8 and C5 substituted product into the electrophilic substitution reactions of the quinoline. Okay, so let's see about the examples of the electrophilic substitution reaction. First, it is the nitration reaction. Nitration reaction, we are using the nitrating mixture concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4. It produces the nitronium ion, NO2 positive. This nitronium ion, it will be attacked on the C5 as well as the C8 positions into the quinoline, and we get the mixture of the substituted products into the quinoline after the nitration. First, it is the 8 number position, there is an introduction and substitution of the nitro group, and into the second compound there is a 5th number position, there is a introductions of the nitro group. Okay, 8 and 5th number, 8 number position nitro group and 5th number position nitro group, we get the mixture of the two compounds. Okay, so it is called as the 8 nitro quinoline, and it is called as the 5 nitro quinoline. Another, it is, this is nitration. Another, next is sulfonation. Sulfonation is the addition of the sulfonic group into the aromatic ring. Sulfonation, we are using the H2SO4, and there is application of heat. There is a formation of the mixture of the two products. First, it is on the 8 number SO3H group, and introduction of the another SO3H group into the another quinoline ring on the 5th number. Okay, so in this way we get the 8 and 5 quinoline sulfonic acid. 8 quinoline sulfonic acid, and this is 5 quinoline sulfonic acid. This is about the sulfonation. Now the next is halogenation. In that we will go for the bromination. Now it also shows the electrophilic attack of the bromonium ion on the 8 number and the 5th number positions into the quinoline. So we get the mixture of the two compounds of the quinoline. First, it is the 8 bromoquinoline, another it is the 5 bromoquinoline, because here 8 number position bromonium ion attack as an electrophile. So we get the 8 bromoquinoline, and into the next compound we get the 5 bromoquinoline, because bromonium ion attack on the 5th number. So this is about the electrophilic substitution reactions of the quinoline. Okay,